Hello guys, welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today we will understand what is merge queries in Power BI desktop. Using merge queries, we will join two tables using left join, right join, full outer join and inner join. Okay, so see here I have two sample tables. This is my first sample table and here I have three columns ID, name and salary. In second sample table, I have country name and employee ID. So if you notice here in first sample table, we have ID column and in second sample table, we have employee ID column. Okay, so on the basis of IDs column, we will merge queries and we will perform different types of joins like left joins, right join, full outer join and inner join. So let's have a look here. So for this we will use Power Query Editor to perform the merge queries. Firstly, click to Edit Queries. Now see here, Power Query Editor window has been opened, and in my left hand side, see this is my sample one table. Just have a look here. Here I have ID, name, and salary, and in sample two table, I have employee ID and country. Okay, so to merge the queries, just click to merge queries drop down, and here we have two options. One is merge queries and second one is merge queries as new. When you click to merge queries, it will merge your data in your selected table, and when you click to second option merge queries as new, so it will create separate table of merge queries output. Okay, so I will choose merge queries as new because I want to see my output in new table. So just click to merge queries as new and see here I select sample one. See, this is my sample one table data. This is preview of sample one table data. Right now I have very less records in my table, so that's why it is showing me almost complete records. I want to merge sample one table with sample two, and now I want to join on the basis of ID. So in sample 1 I have ID column and in sample 2 I have employee ID column. Okay, so if you see here we have many options to join. So you can join your table using left outer join, then we have right outer join option, then we have full outer join and inner join and left anti and right anti. So most commonly used joins are left, right, full and inner. So in this session, we will use left, right, full and inner joins. So firstly, we will see left outer join working. So just click to left outer join and see here, it is showing the selection matches 5 of 6 rows from the first table. So that means according to left outer join definition, it will return all rows from left table and matches rows from right table. So let's click to OK. See here, one merge one table has been created. Firstly, I rename it left join, fine. And if you see here, this is sample 2 table output. And when you click this icon, it is showing sample 2 columns name. Suppose in this list, I want only employee ID and country name from second table. Okay, so just select only two columns and uncheck entity and then just click to OK. So this is output of my left join using merge queries. So if you notice here in my left table I have 6 records and in my right table I have only 5 records. So according to left join definition, it will return all rows from left table and matches rows from right table. So if you notice here from left table from ID 1 to 5, all IDs are matching from right table. So this is output of left join using merge queries. Okay, so it returns all rows from left table and all matches rows from right table. Okay, now we will see output of right outer join. So we will follow same step. Just click to merge queries, then select merge queries as new. See, so here I want to merge sample1 table with sample2, and on the basis of id sample1, and from sample2 I have employee id. Here I will select right outer join, and if you see here, the selection matches 5 of 5 rows from the second tables. So that means in both tables 5 records successfully matches. Okay, but according to right outer join definition, it will returns all rows from right table and matches row from left table. So just click to OK, and firstly we will change dataset name. This is right join. Fine. Then click to icon, sample2 icon, and I want only employee ID and country from sample2 table. Then click to OK. So if you see here in my right hand side table, I have only 5 records. So that's why it is showing all 5 records from right hand table and all matches record from left table. So that's why it is showing 5 rows. Okay, so this is my right join queries output using merge queries. Now we will see full outer join. So for this, click to merge queries, select merge queries as new. Fine. Here we will select sample1 table, then sample2 table. On the basis of ID, we will join both tables. So in my sample1 table, I have ID column, and in sample2 I have employee ID. Then we will select full outer. Okay, and then click to OK, and change the dataset name full outer join. Okay, and then click to sample2 table icon, and I want only employee ID and country name from sample2 table. Then click to OK. So guys, as you see here, in my left hand side table I have 6 records. In my right hand side table I have 5 records. So according to full outer join definition, it will returns all rows from both tables. So total max rows was 6. So that's why it is showing 6 rows and 5 rows from right hand side table. Okay, hope you clear how full outer join works. And now we will see inner join. So just click to merge queries, then select merge queries as new, and after that we will select sample1 table, and we want to merge sample1 table with sample2 on the basis of IDs. So just click to IDs and then click to employee IDs, and in join drop down we will select inner join. So guys, inner join is simple, or you can say this is simple join. It will returns only common records. Okay, so just click to OK, and then rename the dataset inner join, and then click to icon, and I want employee ID and country, then click to OK. So see here, this is simple joins. In both tables only 5 rows are matches, so that's why it is showing 5 rows. Okay guys, so hope you clear how we can use merge queries in Power BI desktop, and how we will use left join, right join, full outer join and inner join in Power BI desktop using merge queries. Thank you guys.